Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back again. It is Sunday, fun day. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe, made in one piece. Happy Halloween is coming in a few days. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do, and you guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on a link, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer, especially this one. This is gonna be a nice one. But right now, it's like winter season, but a lot of people in the hood still barbecue and stuff. So this is definitely a nice, useful tool for the cookers out there, all the barbecuers, the grill masters. This one is for you guys. Check out, or anyone else, cook master chefs out there. Something fancy dancy equipment we got here. I just can't remember where it's coming from though. Alright, there we go. We got it right there. An invoice. No. Shoot. Hold on one second, let me pause you. Alright, I do believe it's called Albessel. If I'm wrong, sorry, but definitely YouTubers check them out. It'll be corrected in the title and in the links down below. But I believe it is Albessel. You gotta open, drop you guys down, downtown. Let's see what's inside this thing. Oh yes. I just can't believe how fast this year went. New Year's coming up. If we all make it through this. Oh boy, it's pretty heavy. Get out of there. Oh boy, where did you get out? It's like, oh, here we go. Oh yes. Yes, indeed. Bam. Got that out of the way. Gotta get yourself one of these. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Fancy dancy. Watch out, Gordon Ramsay. We are gunning for you. Oh, nice shiny case. Boom. Oh. I might have it on backwards. There we go. Oh, here we go. It says right on it. Monmix. Check them out. Oh, look at that. That's a nice case. But that's what's inside what counts. Time to open it up. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, baby. Ooh. Alright. We got the Grill Master Tools of the Trade. You can get one of these sets at a low cost. Wow, this is nice. We got these thingies. I don't even know what they're called. Uh-oh, how do we... Oh, there's Velcro. Ooh. They got these Velcro thingies. Right down here, I don't know if you guys could see it. Right there. So you gotta untake it off like that. And then down here. Here we go. Cheerios. Oh boy. Here we go. See this? Bam, Velcro. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. One of these pokers. Or for shish kebabs. I'm not sure. Stick your meat in it. You know? I don't know. But definitely cool. So you get what? 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So I'm not 100% sure. I'm about to find out some more. Lock it in. All you gotta do is press down. Oh, see, it comes with protection. And then Velcro release. Velcro down. Oh. There we go. Take it all off. Slide it out this way. Whoa, comes with something like, not sure what this does. Maybe another meat poker to like make the steak air. I don't know. Not sure. We got one of these though. These are nice. Dong, the dong, dong, dong. Ooh, that dong. It's a dong, dong song. Oh yeah, good old Cisco back in the day. Oh, jeez. They got some fast action. Man, look at these grips. Oh yeah. It's like shark. These are nice. Alright. Get your meat. Pick up your meat. Football Sunday is today, so definitely excited for a few games. Be watching it as soon as I get these videos done. Definitely. I'm hoping one day though the Lions will make it. Oh jeez. I'm gonna put this back in there. Get in there. Alright. Just gotta be careful. Don't want to cut yourself. There we go. Boom. Oh. Alright, make sure she's latched in there pretty well. Yep, I gotta be like this way. Okay, so you go like this. And boom. Alright, we got this figured out. Now these should be easy. I don't think this is, yep, this is Velcro. And this is his pull out. There we go. Oh, this is nice, flipper. Never seen one like this. Got the sharp razor edge and hang. Look at the back side. Oh yes. Flip your burgers at ease. This is cool. And then you got the clean your grill with. Hey, they hooked it up. So definitely YouTubers, check them out when you guys got some free time. Get one of these. It'd be a great gift for somebody in your family, especially now with the holidays coming up so fast. This is definitely a nice little gift to give somebody that likes to use the grill master. Look at that. Those brushes, man. And that's ow. Oh, pokey. Yeah, those things. Ooh. Definitely clean it out pretty well. Alright. We're on the roll. I know what this thing is. I used these before. There we go. And Velcro time. And it comes with an extra cleaning kit. So in case that one gets too dirty, you get a bonus one. And a few other bonus tips or something. I think they're replacement tips. You could change it up. That's a nice one. Poker. The meat poker. So definitely YouTubers, check them out. Links will be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. They'll ship this out to you in no time. And hurry, make sure you get your Christmas shopping done early. Especially now, they got them at a low cost. All you gotta do is check them out. I'll show you the other ones. They're just like a replacement or extra set of those mini ones. Those over there. And then there's the brush. But there's nothing really to grill because it's wintertime, like I said. But definitely this will become a useful tool for any cooker out there. YouTubers, be safe. Have a great day. See you guys soon. See ya.